How are you all doing? Awesome? Enjoying your orientation period? Great. What is the meaning of the word dream? The point that I'm trying to make here is dreams is something which is mostly long term. I'm sorry I'm starting this session with something which is sad, but I have to. I'm forced. Reason being that this is the reality. You all know what happened recently on June 12th, right? Everyone knows it? Yeah. You all know what happened in Kashmir, right? Thing is, when those tourists went to Pahalgam, they did not expect that they will not return to their homes. When those passengers in AI 171, when they got into that plane full of dreams, they never knew that they will not be there to fulfill their dreams. But do we really need a calamity to make us realize that? That is why I am here. All of you sitting over here, your parents, right now when you're sitting over here, they are working hard somewhere. They're working very hard. You know why? So that you can sit here. I wanted to share his story in a very different way, which is the reason why I brought him over here. थापा जी, सबसे पहले सलाम आपको. अच्छा, आपने कारगिल में भी
99 में कारगिल का युद्ध में लड़ा.
तो थापा जी, डर नहीं लगता है जब आसपास लोगों को मरते देखते हो? तो डर नहीं लगता है? बताइए ना इन बच्चों को.
जब कारगिल का लड़ाई हुआ था तो हमारे यूनिट के 7 लोग शहीद हुए थे और 17 लोग कैजुअल्टी घायल हुए थे, जिसका हाथ पैर घुमाना पड़ा था. वो देख के हमको ऐसा लगता है कि और खून खौलता है और जोश आ जाता है कि हम हमारे साथी के करने वाला को हम जिंदा नहीं रखेंगे, उनको अभी खत्म करेंगे, ऐसा जोश आता है.
Very important statement. See, when he was in the defense forces, when he was in the front, he gave his best. Every single child sitting over here, please understand that your parents, see, it is not cool. It's not yo-yo to tell that your parents are not cool. They may not have the kind of education you have. They may not be as privileged as you all are. But remember, they have always done the best, or else you will not be sitting over here. That is the reason why the biggest lesson I want you to take from here is that please value your parents. Keep an eye on who is being extra quiet, because you never know what that student may be going through inside. Because they may be going through some agony, some pain, something that must have happened and they are not able to share it with anyone. So when you are together in the college, see to it that you all are there for each other. So that you all are there to support and to guide each other so that nobody falls. Because what is most important is the need to be understood. The need to be not incited by anyone else. Choose your friends wisely. Very true. Because the person who you befriend can make or break you. Very true. That is why they say always surround yourself with people who motivate you, who bring the best out of you. So this is why I brought Meenal for you here today. So that in spite, it is not her height. In spite of her biological height, she stands tall today, strong today, and proud that she is on her way to 100% independence. You know, mothers, amazing people, right? You love your mothers? Say loudly, I love my mother. Once more. I tell you why I told this. Because be it mother or be it father, they'll do anything for you. Similarly for Swapnil. Mother cried seeing her son's plight and told the doctor, "Meri aankhein le lo, mere bacche ko de do." Take your right hand, put it on your chest. So repeat after me, I promise I will never give up on myself. I promise I will never give up on myself. And for the last time, we're going to repeat this sentence, but this time you're going to say this with all your heart, no matter your volume. You're not saying this to me, you're not saying this to your teachers, you're saying this for yourself. Yourself. You're promising this not to me, you're promising this to yourself. I promise I will never give up on myself. But please understand, this is not just a session. I really want each and every one of you to remember every single lesson that you learned from these achievers' lives. Number one. Second, very important, please remember the promises that you have made to yourself. Number two. Number three, I spoke to you before I began, when I began the session, those 5 goals. Please set 5 goals for yourself, because an aimless life is like a scooter running on the road without brakes.